Wow. Come here, my little cutie. Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you guys doing?
Doing well.
Say hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing wonderful.
Oh, thank
Says the GoPro. Awesome.
All right.
Thank you. Woo!
We got this. Let's get in there. All right, you ready?
Wow. Dang. Wow.
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 Dang.
Dang.
Damn.
That tree's huge. Huge.
Nice.
Oh, shnikes.
Woo.
Oh, that was really cool. That was really cool. Wow, this is really cool.
So cool. That was awesome. That's super dangerous.
Crazy. So crazy.
That's crazy. Wow. That was awesome. He's Oh. It's okay. There's plenty more trees, buddy. I'm sorry, dude.
Hey. Wow, that tree's huge. Dang, that was really cool. Way to go. That was really cool.
Look at that.
Holy sh**.
That was intentional.
Wow. It's like Final Destination.
You meant to have all that hold wood like that, didn't you?
That's amazing.
I'm controlling the tree. And if it wouldn't have went, I could have cut that free and that would have...
It's like an art form.
It is.
Wow, great job. You know it's a big tree, but when you see it start swaying, it's like, oh, it's a
Yeah, it's
massive
going
tree.
back.
Huge shout out to Anthony and Anthony's tree removal service. They did a bomb job.
Bomb job? Is it the 90s?
They did an incredible job. Amazing to work with, very professional. I'm not an expert on cutting trees down. I didn't realize how cool.
Or in general.
Or in general. Wait, what do you mean, an expert?
On trees.
Oh, on trees. Yeah, I'm not a tree expert. I'm learning, okay? Okay.
And they just did an amazing job. When we bought this house, the backyard had not been maintained in years. It's an old wood forest with some really large trees. There was quite a few dangerous ones leaning on or towards the house. Quite a few that just needed to be trimmed up, that had branches over the house that was going to cause problems with the roof, and some really tricky ones leaning over the gazebo, all on a huge hillside with terraced gardens made out of stone that you could not get any heavy equipment in. So they did pretty much everything by hand. And the level of professionalism, talent, and knowledge of the trees was just incredible. They put down every tree, every branch perfectly where they wanted it to go. It was like art watching them do this. And if anybody in the area needs any tree removal or trim ups or anything, they are the people to talk to. Highly recommend.
300%. Is that 90s? I'm gonna include the link to Anthony's tree removal website below in the description. Check it out if you're interested. They are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel for more videos coming your way. Are you guys working on any home projects wherever you're living? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. We could share some tips. AKA, you could share some tips and then I'll ask Greg for some advice and then I'll share that with you. We love you. Gizmo, don't bite me. Mwah.